Okay, hey folks, I just wanted to show you how to upload your assignments to Blackboard. So I'm going to share my screen, and I have showing here the Religion 101 page with the student preview mode on. So this, I guess, is what you see. You go to course content, you will find your assignments listed, August 25th and 27th, and then the others are going to go up as well. But if you go to assignments, that's where you're actually going to be submitting what you have. So for example, the one coming up on Tuesday, you click here on assignment number 1, and it gives you the due date, Tuesday, August 25th at 9 a.m. You are welcomed and encouraged to submit before then, but that's the deadline. Counted after that, they will be late. Points possible 10. All of your homeworks are going to have 10 points possible. And for each homework, I've put up a rubric. So you click here, View Rubric, and it lists all of the questions. And each question has 3 categories. The first is Nope, meaning this is how you get 0 points for that question. Then there's Okay, which tells you how you get partial credit for that question. And then Proficient tells you how to get all the points for that question. And I tailor each of these descriptions for each homework assignment. You can look at this if you want, but I mean, like I said before, as long as you answer each question and do it thoroughly, you should be fine. But if you do want to look at the rubric ahead of time, that's how I'm going to mark your homeworks and assign a grade. Okay, so you can look at that. When you're finished with your document, with your Word document, you are simply going to go here to Attach File. You're going to click Browse the Computer, and you are just going to select something. I don't know. Here, I'll just select something, Open, and then it's listed right here. And if you have the wrong one, you're going to click Do Not Attach and get rid of it, and then get the right one. But then you just click Submit. And it'll take a minute, but then it'll show you that the attempt was uploaded, and you can take a look at it there. And then you can look at it if you want. So that's it for that. And then once they're uploaded, I will take your homework and I will grade it according to that rubric, and I'll assign a grade for you. I think that's all I wanted to explain for today. But this here, where it says recorded lectures and tutorials, that's where I'm putting all these. And I found that a YouTube link will go a lot quicker, and it's easier to upload, and it's easier to view. It comes out more clearly that way. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Oh, one other thing I wanted to mention that I forgot to mention in class and in the video is when I ask you to write a question with response to the reading, I wrote this into the homework for Thursday, but it can be a question designed to discuss with your classmates, a question for me, or it can be a question for the author. This is going to pertain to any of the readings that we have. It just so happens that Craig Martin has agreed to do a Zoom interview with us later in the semester, and so I'll be kind of collating these questions, and some of them I'll select to ask of him when we do that interview. So that's pretty much it. Okay, stop sharing and